Hi guys, today I'm sharing weight loss masala oats recipe. This recipe is easy to make and is super filling and nutritious. So let's get started. Heat a tablespoon of ghee or oil. You can even use butter. Add cumin seeds and green chilies. Let them simmer and add vegetables. While it's cooking, let me tell you the benefits of oats. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free, whole grains, and great source of important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are rich in fiber. They prevent diabetes and lower cholesterol also. They are good source of proteins. Studies have shown that they also resolve bone-related problems. When we take oats combined with vegetables and replace it with our regular rotis and paranthas, they will aid in weight loss. You must make sure that the amount of oats should be less than the vegetables in order to notice considerable weight loss. You'll see that in this recipe I have used only 3 tablespoons of oats. Then after adding oats, add half a cup of water, cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook them until they are soft and mushy. It requires 10 to 15 minutes only to cook it properly. And you can have this in the breakfast or even lunch, or you can even enjoy it as a pre-dinner meal. So enjoy this bowl of power pack oats with a cup of green tea and lose weight easily. I'll be coming up with more such recipes, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.